We have here a brand new JBL SoundGear frames. It is an eyeglasses, a shades or sunglasses by default, with speakers in the temple tips area, exactly where your ears are, so it acts like an earphone. It is an open ear speakers, or earphone if you can call it that. As you can see here, it's rated IP54, so light splashes of water and sweat wouldn't be a problem. The audio driver size here is dynamic 25 by 9mm with frequency of 100 to 18 kHz and impedance of 20 ohms. Apparently, it also has a companion app available on both Android and iOS that allows EQ adjustments and gesture customization, among others. It is also equipped with the JBL Open Sound technology, which is an ultra-thin high-amplitude rectangular speakers with bass enhancement. You can also do a hands-free calls with this via the advanced beamforming 2 microphone array with environmental noise cancellation. It is slim and lightweight with translucent color options, and the default lenses here can block harmful UV. The lenses can be replaced though, even with your subscription glasses. Let's take out the glasses with its very nice JBL leather case. Then we have an inner box here. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's the usual paperwork with the user guide in multiple languages. Let's see what this small black envelope holds. It's a lens cleaning cloth on a nice and tidy packaging with an embossed JBL logo. There's more paperwork here. And on this compartment we have a charging cable, which is quite unique. It is Y-shaped USB Type-C cable which enables you to simultaneously charge both temples. I think each temple of the glasses has its own battery, just like how earbuds are made. Let's put everything aside here so we can make room for the main event, the earphone glasses itself. This is a very premium feeling leather case, by the way. Let's see the glasses now. It is safely wrapped in papers. And apologies for the skip part of the video in a few seconds. Apparently when you open the glasses temples, it automatically turns on, and then it auto-connected to my phone and the video recording stopped. Let's continue unwrapping it. Oh, this is interesting. The temple is transparent and you can see the literal circuit board inside. Really nice looks. I love it. Let's see the lenses now. It looks nice. Nothing weird looking here. Just a normal looking sunglasses. And when we close the temples, did you hear that? It automatically turns off. And opening the temple automatically turns on the device and connects via Bluetooth 5.2. You see the JBL logo here. At first glance it looks like just an aesthetic, but it is actually a touch control. And below it is the USB Type-C charging port. And as you can see here at the temple tips where it curves, this is the speakers, which for most people will be directly aligned with your ears. On the other side temple, we have the same set of the JBL logo touch control, the charging port, and the speakers. Overall, I like the design. The temples might be on the thicker side, but I think it adds to the character of the glasses. It is very discreet looking in terms of it being an earphone. It feels sturdy. Even though it is mostly made out of plastics, it feels very solid. It looks nice as a sunglass. It does way more than a normal sunglasses, but it's not that much. It can easily pass on normal sunglasses. Although since it is an open ear type of earphone, sound leak is pretty much given here. So when you're on an elevator or any other enclosed space, all the people around you will probably hear what you're listening to as well. Just keep that in mind. The battery capacity of the JBL SoundGear frames is not disclosed, but they claim a continuous playtime of up to 8 hours. I will let you know of the real-world usage on my review video soon. Also, according to JBL, charging from 0 to 100 will take up to 2 hours, which is a really long time for a tiny device like this. But we'll see when I have tested this, if that is true or not. The good thing though about charging is, it has a quick charge feature. You can charge the SoundGear frames for just 10 minutes and have a 2-hour playback battery life, which is usually only present on the big over-the-ear headphones, but this one has that feature as well. Alright, I think that's all I can share right now for the JBL SoundGear frames. I'll definitely be testing this one and use it every day so I can share an accurate review for you. Keep tuning into the channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. No bear,